Hey guys, I am at KLIA right now, and I'm about to hop on a plane to go to Singapore with Urban Decay together with Cili and Zamrina. They're now in the toilet, so I'm just here waiting for them. By the way, it's like super early in the morning. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's the sunrise. It's like about 7 a.m. right now. So now we're waiting for Cili to come. There's something wrong with her visa, so she got held back for a little bit. So now we're just waiting for her. Hopefully everything will be fine. Our flight is in another 45 minutes. So yeah. Arrived in Singapore, so we're at Changi Airport now. Finally here. We're in Singapore. Yeah. So now we're gonna go and check in the hotel, collect our luggage and everything. Because we've checked in, but we can't really go to our rooms because it's still early. So we're just getting something to eat first. We have escargot and some salmon. This is my room. It's nice and quaint. So I'm just gonna chill a little bit first. I want to put some makeup on, sembayang, and then we're gonna go out a little bit later. Okay, hello again. We're now having dinner at the dim sum place. So, hey guys. Hey guys. We finally got food. Food makes us happy.
Makes me very happy. Chinese food makes me happy. Yeah.
We're just walking around shopping. Look, I met a follower. What's her name again? Farhana. So I met Farhana here. She's a Singaporean follower, which is so cool. I wish I can meet more of you here. I'm so happy. We're back from our shopping, and yeah, Zam is there on my bed, and we have Cili here.
I'm tired.
Yeah, we're so freaking tired right now, but it was fun.
Happy.
Yeah, we got to eat good food, and
really good.
Yeah, and also we got to shop a little bit, just walk around, so it was good stuff. Excited for tomorrow, and yeah, we're just gonna transfer the photos that we took today. I pun tadi nak buka tudung lah, lepas tu teringat I didn't even film an ending for this. So yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye. Good night, everybody. You're not sleeping.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is the second day. So now we're going to the meet and greet. everyone. I'm back from meeting Kristen Leanne. We have another main event later tonight. My makeup just now, I did like such a very funky makeup, which I was so proud of. I'm always like, you know, wearing the regular makeup, but I tried on this different look using the Kaleidoscope palette. And that, I thought that I could never work that palette, but apparently it's actually workable. So anyways, I had to remove it because I gotta pray and all, which was really sad that I had to remove. But you know, Salat comes first. You know me. So it's okay. I'll just redo my whole makeup all over again for tonight. But right now, we're gonna go and have lunch. So late right now to go down. I'm always the last one because I get ready. It takes me so long to get ready, but
So where are we right now?
we're at Millennium Walk. We're going to the Urban Decay event. I mean the UD
Yeah.
event. I gotta fix my lashes because it's totally coming out.
Look at that makeup.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. So
Looks pretty. You look beautiful. Beautiful. Yes, you're the only one. Yeah.
Where's that?
You're actually rocking it.
It's like nude colors.
Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Okay, also OOTD. Tell us what you're wearing.
So I am wearing Ina's
Uh-huh.
new casual wear.
Oh, this is casual?
Supposedly, yeah.
It looks pretty formal. I mean, maybe because like how you wear it.
Supposed to like baju kurung and like, you know.
Faham. Faham.
My shoes are from Charles and Keith. My shawl is of course from Duck.
Earrings?
Earrings from La Visa.
Ooh, and full face. Basically full face of Urban
basically full face
Decay.
of Urban Decay X Kristen Leanne.
Yes.
So we're just gonna explore Singapore a little bit more, and then before we head back, if that got to my scarf,
I know, don't worry, I know
I'm gonna get it. It is the end of the night, and my feet kind of hurts already. We just want to eat right now.
Hello peeps. I just got back from the event. It was great and nice and all. I already told you guys this. So now I'm back in the hotel. We decided that we're just gonna order some room service, and then tomorrow we have some time to explore Singapore. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here now, and I will see you guys tomorrow, inshallah. Good night. Hello friends. Today is the last day that I'm here in Singapore. I've packed most of my stuff already. So this is Orchard Road, and this is the view from my room. So yesterday I pretty much did my whole face makeup twice, because like one for the first event and the second one for the night event. And I would have just worn one look for the whole day, tapi obviously kena sembahyang, then I had to take it out. And also today I guess I'm giving my face a rest.
it always feels incredibly sad when I have to remove my makeup. So I'm gonna remove my makeup later when I have to sembayang. I'll probably have to sembayang at the airport because we have to check out soon already. Okay, we are checking out right now. We're waiting for Shareen to check us out. You see, they are all like so dark and like hip and fashionable. Like, look at that. And like, I'm like the goody one with like white.
You're like the angel, and then we're like the dark. So where are we now?
We're back at the ice cream stand again. Shareen really wanted the ice cream before we go back later.
Where'd you get your? Oh my God, Aisha, where'd you get your glasses from? They look so cool.
I just got that just now. I got it on.
Yeah, so pretty.
We're here at Gardens by the Bay.
So pretty, actually.
Yeah, it's my first time here. Second time here. Oh, it's your second. I've been to Singapore a couple of times, but never here. Photos and like walk more, but it's so freaking hot today.
My bad.
We're on our Uber going to
Want to makan? So you can speak Malay? I can't.
Can you say saya nak pergi makan?
Saya nak pergi makan.
Yeah!
I wanna go and eat. 我想去吃东西。That's 3 languages. You're welcome.
We're already at the airport right now, but we're super early.
Yep.
Our gate is not even open yet, so we're gonna just chill because we're all people who will be anxious if we don't go through the security and everything.
Yes, true though.
Yeah, so we'd rather be early and then just, you know, chill and board the plane. Hey guys, we are at the terminal already. I mean the gate, waiting to board soon. So we're gonna board our plane very soon. We're gonna go back to Malaysia. Singapore has been great, but I wish I had more time to really to really explore Singapore a little bit more. Yeah, we're on the flight back already.
I'm so tired. Everyone's so tired.
So tired. It's already the evening and we're so tired. Can't wait to go back. But at the same time, hopefully we can come here again, you know? And like see more places. Maybe go to Universal Studios.
Yeah. Oh my God, yeah.
Like Sentosa or something. So I will see you guys back in Malaysia. We have landed and now I am at KLIE. This is
Hey.
and we're waiting for Cili because she has to go through the foreign passport side, and then it's a little bit, it was a long queue for the foreign passport, so that's why she's still not here. So we're just waiting for her. But this marks the end of our trip to Singapore. Now we're safely in Malaysia, and it was a whole lot of fun. And I guess this is also the end of this vlog. If you've watched this far, thank you, and I guess I'll see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye.